Now that we have our payment plans and coupons ready, let's go ahead and learn about the additional offers we can add to our order forms. So our main offer is here, and then we can add another offer on the same page. This is called an order bump. So just click here on order bump and then choose the type of product I'm selling. Let's choose a digital product, let's say another course, and I'll give full access to it. After that, I would just repeat the steps I went through with my main offer. So I would just add a price plan. You can choose one from the list or create a new one that's totally up to you. Just remember to click save. And then we're going to go back to the editor for my order form page and add a new element to it. This is the order bump element. You can look for it in our element menu right here on the left and drag it straight to the page like so. As you can see, there's a placeholder text, so you have to customize it and write about the offer. Remember, an order bump is usually something that your ideal client might want or need if they are already buying your main offer. So it's like a complementary resource, if you will. This is actually a really good sales tactic, and our most successful users swear by it. So now here's what our order form looks like with the order bump. And what's really cool about this is that they don't have to go through a whole other different payment process. They only need to check this checkbox and the second offer will be added to their order. Now, remember our funnel had another page called the upsell page. This is the page that our order form will redirect the customer after they make their purchase. The upsell page is very similar to an order form page in the sense that you can add digital products, physical products, and even affiliate commissions. But there are two main differences between the order form and upsell pages. The first difference is that the upsell link by itself doesn't really work. That means if we try to visit the page, we will be redirected to the order form and we won't be able to see the upsell. And the second difference is that the upsell does not contain any form. So here's a template that I chose for the upsell, and as you can see here, there is no form. In these pages, you only find a button to accept the offer and another button to decline the offer. And this is why you can't visit the upsell directly from the link, because your customer must first use the form to fill out their payment information before getting your upsell offer. We want this to be as simple as a yes or no decision, and having to go through a whole other payment process might not be appealing to someone who's already in purchase mode. So for the upsell, your customer would just click on the accept offer button and the payment will process immediately. But if they decline the offer, they will be redirected to our next step in the funnel, which is the downsell page. The downsell is pretty much the same thing as the upsell page in the sense that the link by itself won't work and there are no forms in it. The difference here relies in your sales strategy. Usually, downsells offer a lower price product that might get customers who are on the fence about buying to take action. Now, redirections for both upsell and downsells are made automatically upon decision. So when someone accepts the upsell offer, they will skip the downsell and will go to the thank you page directly. But if someone declines the upsell offer, they will go to the downsell. Once there, whether they accept or decline, they will be redirected to the thank you page. Now, we can also add other upsells to the funnel. Really, you can add as many as you want. So let's do that. Let's add another upsell and choose a template for it. Okay, so now the second upsell is ready. We just need to put it after the first order form or after the upsell or even after the downsell. So if you put it here, it will be the first page that appears when the customer validates the payment in the order form. If you put the second upsell after the first one, the customer will come from the order form to the first upsell and then from the first upsell to the second one, no matter what choice they make in the first upsell. If you put the second upsell after the downsell, the customer will come from the order form and they will land on the first upsell. Here, if they accept the upsell, they will go to the second upsell directly. But if they decline the first upsell, then they will see the downsell page. After that, they will see the second upsell, and finally, they will be redirected to the thank you page. And it really doesn't matter what they decide on in the second upsell, whether they accept the offer or decline the offer. The last step for them will be the thank you page.